going to focus on here. Okay, so when you're looking at the returns of a particular company, okay, so ideally when you're selecting a mutual fund, what is the major focus? How is this particular company doing compared to the peers? First one, is it doing better than the peers or not? How is this particular company doing with the benchmark? Okay, is it doing better than the benchmark or not? Okay, how is it doing in the last 5 years, 10 years? That is more important. 1 year, 6 months is not important. Last 5 years, 3 years, 10 years, that is what is more important. Okay, and then risk level. Is that particular risk level suitable for you? Okay, are you ready to actually take that risk? Because sometimes when it has fallen, you are seeing the amount of fall that it has taken. You should be okay with that also. When things go wrong, you should not be selling it at that point of time. You have to keep on holding it. Okay, that's the objective of a mutual fund. SIP, when you're putting it, everything will get average out. Okay, and the most important thing as a trader, your jackpot is where the portfolio is. Now we saw a list of 25 stocks. Okay, what you will be doing is take a list of 25 stocks or 10 stocks or 15 stocks from this mutual fund. Okay, write it in your notepad. 15 stocks. Like this, you will be analyzing on 10 more mutual funds. Okay, you're analyzing on another mutual fund. Take a list of 10 stocks from that. 10 stocks from each of them. Which other stocks are in common in all the mutual funds? Let's understand this. You have taken 10 to 15 stocks. Say 10 stocks from SBI small cap. 10 stocks from, say, Nippon India small cap. 10 stocks from Kotak. 10 stocks from other 5-6 companies. And which all stocks are common in all the mutual funds? That stock is more preferable, or like it's a jackpot for everyone. Everybody is preferring the stocks. Okay, it means that is something where that is a company where everybody is trying to put in money. Okay, it should be definitely good, fundamentally strong. Even if you're not doing so much of research, by that itself you will be knowing, okay, all these 10 mutual funds, 5 mutual funds have chosen LG equipments. Good, it is good then. Okay, even if you're actually finding a breakout on that, it will be in your watch list, and whenever you're getting a breakout on opportunity, you can immediately jump into it. Okay, so what I want you to do is that this list of mutual funds and the stocks, okay, this list of stocks can be used for, okay, creating your watch list as well. Okay, let's say here Nippon. Okay, let's go into the, where is that? Portfolio. Okay, here we have a list of stocks here. Not everything. See, fine organic we saw there. Okay, fine organic, that will start with LG equipment and so on. They have a different list of stocks. Okay, we can look at them also. And then let's look at peers. Let's look at the portfolio of, okay, this is a Kotak small cap fund. Kotak small cap fund. Let's look at the portfolio of this one. Take the 10 companies or 15 companies, add it in your watch list. Okay, and similar way, you can actually use ICICI Prudential small cap fund and its portfolio and add it in your watch list. Okay, that like this, right? You can actually see when a person is actually putting huge amount of capital, okay, is a percentage of assets. If that is huge, right, then it means that there's a huge potential on those stocks to actually increase faster. That's the reason these people are having them in the top priority, and most of the money has been put in that particular stocks. So that way, your selection of stocks for your trading can also be done from here. Portfolio selection can be done from here just using this, the easiest way. Okay, apart from the Nifty top gainers, okay, NSE 50, 250 and 500, you can use this. Okay, if you're just going for 5 different mutual funds and selecting 10 from each, you got 50 companies in your watch list. Okay, that's a huge potential for them, because, and that's a huge, very good one. Sure, you're going to get huge opportunities because all the major players are having their money over there. A lot of people have this question, right? Where are these major players having the money? You are able to see that. Okay, this is like I told you 100 crores or 1000 crores, but what is the total mark, like what is the asset here? 10,044 crores. 10,044 crores. 4% of 10,044 crores is what? Almost like 400 crores here. 400 crores has been put on those stocks which you have seen. Okay. So I am saying like long term and short term. Gauri, it can be used for long term and short term. See, what we are selecting is that is the stocks which are actually being preferred by mutual funds for long term. So if you get a breakout on weekly, monthly, go for the long term. If you're getting an opportunity on 1 day and 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame, go for the short term. Okay. One thing is for very sure, or you can be very confident about, is that this is not a stock where illiquidity will be there, or a stock where that is like, what to say, it may actually cause trouble or something uncertain. Okay. It's not something nobody has heard. A lot of people are actually putting their money into it. It means that, okay, you can confidently put your money for short term and so on. Okay.